Hello everybody and welcome to day number 20 of Vlogmas. Yay! 20 days have gone by already. What you just saw is me flying the drone inside. I don't know if that's a good idea, but with these new drones they have like so many different sensors and But yeah, I'm headed out the door now, practicing my juggling. The goal is to learn how to do 4-ball juggling, and like I hear the trick is to really get this one hand down, but do it at like kind of like an angle to like have the balls fall over, and then you do it non-symmetrically in both hands, and it looks like you're juggling 4 balls, which you are juggling 4 balls. Head at the door, and then I do not know what's in store for the rest of the day. It looks pretty nice out. And maybe play some disc golf. Definitely do some sort of activity later in the day. Daddy's making a smoothie. Dad's making a smoothie. So like for a second, everything was not working. Everything was out of place. I had to register the drone with the FAA. I threw some supplements in the trash that I thought were lost, but they ended up being in my grandma's trash because we don't have trash services here, so we have to bring our trash to grandma's. But she saved the day saying that she has them. I had to sign up for a tournament. I signed up for Waco, guys. Yep, I'm coming back. Waco, Texas. I think the 15th through 17th. You can catch me there, dude. All right, now I need to figure out if I can even go fly this, because I realized that Boulder is really, really hard place to fly a drone because there's airports everywhere and you're not allowed to fly on open space, or like any place you'd want to fly a drone, you pretty much can't. So I gotta do some research, figure out what, but I'm hoping to go out to the disc golf course and maybe get a few shots. Gotta make it somewhat worthwhile, right? So charging the batteries, I'm gonna do some research now, and fingers crossed. And a State of Trance episode 895. Oh, it's the top 50 2018 special. It's making me happy. A lot of trance music, EDM, I love it. Yeah.
There must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from heaven send. With me tonight, I run away.
Drone's a pain in the butt. Oh my gosh, I gotta figure out how to fly it. And the batteries die so quick. Like so freaking quick. You gotta have like 10 of them if you want to do anything cool. All part of the learning process. Dad has a drinking problem, right?
Yeah, 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
Kombucha-holic father.
Gotta drink.
Look, we get pleasure just by sitting in a grocery store because that's our view outside. I guess you could say we're spoiled. You could also say that we're not. I like to be somewhere in the middle.
Just like Jimmy Eat World. It just takes some time. I don't know the rest of the lyrics. Sorry.
Okay, so we're at Play It Again right now. I'm looking through the used discs, and this is just really sad. It's a second run FD. They put a freaking light through. Unbelievable, so freaking bad. This is a $60 disc, and it's just ruined because there's a light through it. Unbelievable. Oh, man.
Well, today's coming to an end. And guess what? They announced the freaking 2020 World Championships in Utah. It's going to be in mid-June. So that's pretty crazy. Worlds in Utah. That's 7 hours away from Colorado. And I like it, I think. The courses, I don't know, but it's high altitude. I was born at high altitude, so there's an advantage right there. Pretty cool. All right, so we're going back to yesterday when I asked you guys, what's the ugliest thing you've ever seen? The person who's gonna win this disc is Pete V. He wrote, I work at Crocs, so I've seen some rough looking things. The worst being some brown glitter clogs down in the design area. Sure, they're comfortable, but man, some of them are hard to look at. Well, Pete V, you won the Crocs of the disc golf disc, and that is a Discmania D-Line P3. So send me a message on Instagram or Facebook. Guys, especially Solo Fett and Kenneth whatever, you guys have discs. Please message me on Instagram or Facebook, or else the discs are gonna go back into the pot. So this is your last chance, guys. And yeah, so we gotta give away a disc right now. What should I give away? Let's do this one. Today we're giving a Glow DDX, and in order to win this disc, please comment down below what you think about Worlds being in Utah for 2020. Cool. I think that's about it. Guys, I'm going to the Discmania warehouse tomorrow, and I get to pick out a whole bunch of discs, and I'm really excited for that. I'll see how much I can film. I'll do a haul, I guess, what discs I pick out. The one disc you're not really allowed to see until a state that is coming up very soon, so you can look forward to that. All right, guys, till next time, keep on dreaming. Thanks for watching, and subscribe!